This recording is the first of 4 segments that will walk you through the Tribal Crash Data Online Tool Training Manual. Funding for this program was provided by a grant from the California Office of Traffic Safety through the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration. We will begin on page 1. The training goals and objectives. The goals of this training session are 1. To familiarize the participant with the Tribal Crash Data online tool, and 2. To encourage the participant to use the online tool in their transportation planning or other transportation-related projects. Introduction to SafeTrek, NIJC, the Tribal Crash Data Project, and the online tool. Safe Transportation Research and Education Center, SafeTrek, was founded in 2000. SafeTrek is part of the University of California, Berkeley, and is affiliated with the School of Public Health and the Institute of Transportation Studies. SafeTrek has 3 emphases research areas. Number 1, data analysis and data tools. 2, technology for road safety. 3, policy analysis and community outreach. SafeTrek's mission is the reduction of transportation-related injuries and fatalities through research, education, outreach, and community service. Motor vehicle crashes are the #1 cause of death for people aged 1 to 34 in the United States, and a major cause of minor and debilitating injuries for all age groups. The National Indian Justice Center, NIJC, administers the Western Tribal Transportation Training and Technical Assistance Program, WTTAP, which serves tribes in California and Nevada. NIJC is working with SafeTrek on this important tribal crash data project. The goals of this project are to 1. Reduce the number of persons killed in traffic collisions. 2. Reduce the number of persons injured in traffic collisions. And 3. Improve traffic safety on tribal lands in California by improving quality, access, and utilization of traffic safety data. This project employs an advisory committee comprised of tribal and state agency representatives. The project includes this training program on how to use this tool for tribal transportation crash data analysis, conducting 3 regional training sessions on how to use the online tool, survey, and evaluate the training participants to measure the effectiveness of the training and develop a tribal transportation safety data center. Next section, source of the data in the online tool. The online tool can be used to access, map, and analyze tribal traffic crash data. The data consists of tribal shape files obtained from the Bureau of Indian Affairs, layered over crash data obtained from the Statewide Integrated Traffic Record System, SWITRS. SWITRS is a database that serves as a means to collect and process data gathered from a collision scene. It may be accessed online at the URL at the bottom of page 1 of the manual. Public users may access the data online by creating a user account. Currently, SWITRS does not have specific data fields that allow for accessing traffic crash data specific to tribal lands. This online tool was created using data from SWITRS layered over 2016 BIA shapefiles obtained from the Bureau of Indian Affairs' Pacific Region website at the URL at the top of page 2. Next section, the importance of collecting and analyzing tribal crash data. Motor vehicle crashes are a leading cause of death and injury in tribal communities. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, National Center for Injury Prevention and Control, Web-based Injury Statistics Query and Reporting System reports that 1. Injuries are the leading cause of death for American Indian and Alaska Natives aged 1 through 54, and the 3rd leading cause of death overall. Motor vehicle crashes are a leading cause of unintentional injury for American Indians and Alaska Natives aged 1 to 44. 3. Adult motor vehicle-related deaths for American Indians and Alaska Natives are 1.5 times more than that of whites and blacks. 4. Among American Indian and Alaska Natives 19 years and younger, motor vehicle crashes are the leading cause of an unintentional injury-related death, followed by drowning and poisoning. Among infants less than 1 year of age, American Indians and Alaska Natives have 8 times the rate of motor vehicle traffic deaths than that of non-Hispanic whites. To address the causes of motor vehicle crashes in tribal communities, we need complete and reliable crash data to 1. Identify and correct safety problems, 2. Substantiate transportation safety funding proposals, 3. Develop tribal transportation safety plans and long-range transportation plans, and 4. Ultimately, save lives. This project provides a starting point for California tribes to access and analyze tribal crash data from existing sources. In the long term, as tribes collect their own crash data, this online tool may be modified to incorporate tribal data. NCHRP 1749, Guide for Effective Tribal Crash Reporting, provides suggestions for tribes on developing a tribal crash reporting process, as well as success stories. Please see the URL at the bottom of page 2. This is the end of segment 1.